Want to recover deleted drafts on Instagram? No worries, I've got you covered. If you were working on a photo or video that accidentally got deleted, you can still get it back. I'll show you how, but before we dive in, hit that subscribe button below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. All right, let's jump into the Instagram app. First, tap your profile icon at the bottom right. Then, hit the three lines at the top right and go to Account Center at the very top. Scroll down to your information and permissions and select Download your information. It's the second option. From there, tap on Download or Transfer information at the top and choose Instagram. You don't need everything, so select some of your information. Now scroll down to Media. This includes photos and videos. Hit Next and choose to download it to your device. For the date range, you can select last week or all time. If it was recently deleted, just choose last week and hit Save. Set the media quality to high instead of medium, then tap Create Files. Keep in mind, the files will show up right here once they're ready. You'll also get a notification and an email when it's good to go, usually within a few hours. When it's ready, just tap Download and boom, your deleted drafts are back on your iPhone or Android.